Sukma is located at about 410 kilometers from the capital of Chhattisgarh. Konta, an aspirational block in Sukma district, is still far away from the glare of the world. Konta means the corner area, and similarly, it is situated in off corner of Chhattisgarh and it shares a border with the states of Odisha, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. It is spread over 3,576 square kilometers and is surrounded by high mountain ranges and dense forest. This block is larger than the combined area of the remaining two blocks Sukma and Chingar. These factors make Konta block a favorable spot for LWE activities. Sukma district is intensely affected by left-wing extremism and is lagging far behind in terms of development. Even today there is a huge gap in the field of health, nutrition, education, sanitation, and transportation in this area. To fill these gaps, Samya Bhoomi Foundation with the support of UNICEF Chhattisgarh started a program in the year 2020 named Sukma Outreach Program. This video is a small effort to inform you about the activities that are carried out under this program. The people here are very close to nature and deeply rooted within the local culture and traditions. If we talk about the culinary culture of this area, it heavily relies on forest produce. Apart from roots and tubers, different types of insects are also included in the local diet. Mahua, tendu leaf and tamarind is a major source of livelihood here. Due to a lack of awareness and health facilities in this area, people still primarily depend on traditional and superstitious methods to treat their illnesses. As a result, by the time they reach healthcare services, their conditions often become critical, reducing their chances of survival. A large section of girls born here do not even get primary education due to inadequate educational facilities. Instead, they have to help their families with household activities and livelihood work. Despite the availability of variety of local produce, people here lack awareness of what constitutes a nutritious diet which is necessary for healthy growth and development. In such circumstances, Samya Bhoomi Foundation and UNICEF Chhattisgarh has acted as a catalyst of change for the people of Konta. Sukma Outreach Program provides services in the field of health, nutrition and hygiene in 106 villages of Konta. In 2020, 11 sub-health centers were defunct, and the district administration requested us to initiate health services in the villages under these centers. Through the Sukma Outreach Program, we initiated health services in 44 villages under 5 sub-health centers that lacked infrastructure and basic health services. The main activities of the program included antenatal care, ANC, services, immunizations, general health services, and coordinating referral services. This was achieved through the recruitment and training of 5 auxiliary nurse midwives, ANMs. First, we identified routes to these 44 villages, as there were no known roads, and reaching them required traveling through dense forests. We managed to reach the villages with the help of villagers we met at the Haat Bazaar. Once we arrived in the villages, we identified community volunteers who helped us provide services. Their major responsibilities included mobilizing villagers and gathering pregnant women and children in one place to seek health services. In 2021, using the same approach, we expanded our work to 58 villages under 7 non-functional sub-health centers. We provided capacity building support to Anganwadi workers, Mitanis, and community volunteers in these villages. During this period, through advocacy with the district administration, we facilitated full-time HR recruitment in all 11 sub-health centers. In addition, we also proposed 11 prefabricated buildings to replace the 11 defunct SHCs to Niti Aayog through the Aspirational Districts program. In 2022, we shifted our approach to supportive supervision in the 106 most vulnerable villages of the Konta block by dividing them into 4 sectors. To strengthen health, nutrition, and water, sanitation, and hygiene services in these villages, we appointed 2 field counselors in a supportive supervision role for each sector. The major role of field counselors included providing technical support to auxiliary nurse midwives, ANMs, mitanis, and Anganwadi workers to ensure the effective delivery of health services. They also provided counseling to pregnant women, lactating mothers, and adolescent girls. Additionally, field counselors were involved in nutrition services, including screening malnourished children and coordinating referral services to nutrition rehabilitation centers, NRCs. They focused on building the capacity of Mukhya Mantri Suposhan Kendra workers regarding F75 and F100 therapeutic feeding, sports for development, S4D, early childhood care and development, ECCD, and toy making. Dedicated counselors provided HR support specifically for MSK. The role of MSK counselors included educating and counseling mothers on 14 different health and nutrition-centered topics during the 14-day admission period to prevent the relapse of malnutrition in children after discharge. People living in these areas remain cut off from the basic services including health facilities. To overcome these issues, we came up with an activity called One Day Health Camp in the year 2023 in order to avail basic health facilities in such villages in collaboration with the health and ICDS departments. For this journey they carry 3 to 4 days grocery, medicines and some electronic equipments with them. Through OPDs in these camps people get treatment for malaria, diarrhea, anemia and various diseases. Along with this, in order to create awareness, group counseling is provided on respective concerns to different groups such as pregnant women, lactating mothers, adolescent girls, children, the elderly, men, and traditional birth attendants. Additionally, the camps ensured the availability of general health checkups, referral services, and linkages to social security schemes. Villagers have deep faith in traditional healers and follow their advice. So we sensitize traditional healers to encourage community members to seek health services early. In 2024, after working closely with the community, we identified one more problem. Many individuals could not access government schemes because they lacked essential documents like Aadhaar cards, ration cards, and bank accounts. Therefore, we advocated to district administration regarding organizing camps addressing this issue in remote areas. This initiative made it easier for more people to access the benefits of the government schemes. During monsoon, the most of the villages of Konta block is completely cut off from the district headquarters for about 3 months. Through these visuals one can imagine the intensity of challenges in this area. In this way, Sukma Outreach Program has continuously been providing health, nutrition and other services in this area since 2020.